my Monarchs, in this week's video I created this beautiful nail set. Let's go ahead and get started. I got my nails. Let's go ahead and start filing them down. Perfect. Of course, don't forget to always dust off any residue. Now to apply our primer to all of our nails. Now let's go ahead and apply our base coat. Curing that for 120 seconds or until dry. I'm going to be using the transparent PolyGel. And I'm starting off with my thumb. I already have my dual forms pre-measured and I already have my slip solution in my damp dish. I like to apply some slip solution into my dual forms just so the PolyGel is a lot smoother when I am forming it. You can of course start with a small amount and work your way from there. When you think your PolyGel nail is perfect, go ahead and apply it to your actual nail. Make sure you press a good amount down and cure that for 120 seconds. To remove, just twist left and right and the dual form will pop right off. Here we have our first nail done. Let's go ahead and continue on with the rest. So I'm going to be continuing on with the rest of the nails, but I'm doing literally the exact same thing. So I'm going to just speed it up a little bit. Also, don't forget to cure the bottom of your nails so that it doesn't get all filthy and nasty just because it hasn't been cured. all done, let's go ahead and start filing and buffing them down. Perfect. Don't forget to always brush off any residue left behind. I did a slight coffin shape on these. Let's go ahead and apply some top coat. Let's go ahead and cure that for 120 seconds or until dry. So if you have seen some of my videos before, I do use acrylic paint. Sometimes the brushes, it takes a long time, so what I do is I use a little sponge, as I'm doing right now, and I just sponge in the paint to my nails. I'm going to be using this royal blue on my thumb, my pointer, and my pinky finger. And for my middle finger and my ring finger, I'm going to be doing this like kind of marble effect with like a golden glitter. Just wait and watch. And like I mentioned before, I will be using this white paint to add this marble effect to my middle finger and my ring finger. And like I said, I will be using as well some glitter. I love using paint because even though it gets around the cuticle area, I can literally use some water to take it off. So I am using the top coat as glue for the glitter, so I'm just applying it on the areas that I want the glitter to be at. And for one last time, applying top coat to all of my nails. Of course, curing that for 120 seconds or until dry. We can't forget, of course, our cuticle oil. And here we have our beautiful nail sets for this week. I really love this royal blue. Let me know in the comments below how you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!